Afternoon, welcome. This is Neco year 2019 English Objective Past Question. Question number 80. Question number 80. And to this question, the instruction say fill each numbered gap with the most appropriate of the options. And this instruction is to answer question from 71 to 100. And number 80 says the warden took him back to the prison. You know the reason why I say question number 79 is prison, not camp, not cell. So the one they took him back to the prison where there were other dash accused of crime. Criminals. A. Criminals. B. Corporate. C. Detainees. D. Hoodlums. E. Offenders. We cannot say criminals because when you are if you are an accused person, you are still under suspect. So until the court find you guilty, so it's still under suspect, so it's just an accused person, so we cannot say criminals. All the people in the prison are criminals. No. Corporate means somebody who has stated something. The detainees means people in the prison are awaiting trial. So hoodlum is not part of it. The offenders wrong. Then with this analysis, so the correct option here is option C. So we cannot say that the detainees. So we cannot say the warden took him back to the prison where there were other detainees accused of crime. So option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.